The sky held its breath. A hush fell over the world.
The trumpets sound, the sky grows still. November 2nd fulfills the will. A final hour, the end draws near, for judgment comes to us so clear. The books are open, no more disguise. Before the throne we say goodbyes. Our hidden truths now brought to light. This day our souls take flight. On November 2nd the heavens cry. Shemini Atzeret whispers wide. Judgment falls on every soul. Shemini Atzeret claims us whole. In the balance our spirits sway, for November 2nd is Judgment Day. A year has passed, the end in sight. We stand before the King of Light. Our hearts lay bare, no more delay. In hope for mercy, we humbly pray. The shofar sounds, its call so pure, awakening all who seek the cure. From east to west, all now will know the time has come, we must let go. On November 2nd the heavens cry. Since that Torah bids goodbye, judgment falls on every soul. Since that Torah takes us whole. In the balance our spirits sway, for November 2nd is Judgment Day. May we be written in the book of life, freed from anguish, freed from strife. On this final day we kneel and pray for mercy on this Judgment Day. On November 2nd the heavens cry. Shemini Atzeret says goodbye. Judgment falls on every soul. Since our Torah takes us whole. In the balance our spirits sway, for November 2nd is Judgment Day. November 2nd, the end begins, a final cleansing for all our sins. Judgment comes, no more delay, on this our last and final day.
Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me.